Nobody cares.
Oh, dude, you're so mean! Why do you say stuff to me like that? Why do you say stuff to me like that?
Brianna?
Mama!
Well, apparently I can't find the flipping belt. So, I'm going to stop by the store on my way home and I'm going to buy a belt. And I'm telling you right now, if you kick tear up anything, Brianna.
Shut your mouth then until your mama says what she's gonna say. You listen to what she's saying because I'm fixing to slap you. And you better put your eyes over there and listen to what she's saying. Now!
I'm going to bring a belt home with me.
Open your mouth. You better shut up in here, little girl!
Brianna.
Stop! Mama, please! Go away! Go away, Mama!
I hope you know this is going on the internet.
No, Mama!
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to have Ambi post it so you and little friends.
Amy doesn't have to post it.
I'm going to show you what you look like throwing a fit like a baby.
That's something I do!
Alright, well.
Mom, tell me you can't let her do this!
I'm going to.
No! Please, no! I'm just starting to get along with people, Mom, too!
That's a choice that you're making right now, Brie, not us.
I'm starting to get along with people, please don't.
Well, that's a choice that you're making right now because you have the ability to calm down, and I'm tired of having to ask you to calm. Hey, no.
You have to make the calls and what happens.
No, because
Mama.
Brianna,
I just need eyes.
do not. Brianna, down, and I'm tired of having to ask you to calm. Hey, no.
You have to make the calls and what happens.
No, because Brianna, do not say another word. Do not say another word. If you needed ice, you needed. If you needed ice, Brianna, keep on screaming and yelling.
I need ice, Mama! I'll calm down or shut up. Just give me some ice, please.
Okay, now with that said, you're going to calm down and shut up.
I need
and
ice.
We'll decide when that happens. Say it again. Say it. I want you to just say one.